Not me almost burning out week 1 into my MBA, so I had to rebuild my entire system. Today, I'm sharing the 4 things that actually helped me survive.
Welcome to grad school. This has actually been so helpful for me, and I just want to show you what my system looks like when life gets chaotic. Tip number 1 is creating frictionless systems. For class, I like to use my Surface Pro to take notes, whether I'm typing it out on Notion or I am handwriting them on OneNote. And I really like using Notion AI. They have a student discount, but I like using Notion AI to help keep my class notes organized and so that I can easily reference them. And feel free to let me know if you have any note-taking tips or any apps that you use. Let go of the perfectionist mentality. So for my classes, we're looking at multiple class assignments every week, as well as sometimes a quiz or a case assignment. So it's really important to get ahead of your tasks and your deadlines. So I like to immediately place the deadlines and the tasks that into a task tracker, and I create one on my Notion. I think it's an important reminder, even though you're in grad school, to not be afraid to ask for help. I know sometimes there can be a mentality of like, oh, I should know this material, or I got this, I don't need any help. And then to kind of realize later on that you could have easily understood the material better if you utilized more of your resources. Make sure you look at all the student resources that are available to you. Oftentimes there are tutoring resources available, TA review sessions where you can ask all your burning questions. Some programs even offer mental health counseling. I would definitely suggest forming study groups, support system to help you get through school. Finally, it's okay to not do it all. I often fall victim to this, especially when you're starting school again. Sign up for whatever opportunities that come your way, but never want to put yourself in a position where you are just absolutely overcommitted and not doing well. So reminding yourself of your North Star can really help. I like to map out my priorities for the quarter. You can do this on a monthly basis or a yearly basis, it doesn't matter, but just mapping out what your North Star is, why you chose to take this program, what are some of your major life goals. Keep it in a spot that's easy for you to reference so that you can constantly remind yourself of your North Star. There are so many events that are going to be thrown your way. Clubs, happy hours, leadership opportunities, other events that you might volunteer for. You can't possibly do them all. It's best to just focus your energy on a couple that feels manageable to you. It's okay to say no to things that don't align with your priorities. I know I often struggle with that, and that's something I have to constantly remind myself to do. Know that we're all in this together and we're gonna be okay. You know, they were not joking when they said grad school is gonna be a roller coaster. It really has, but I'm kind of excited for next quarter. And you know what? In some ways, I expected the chaos. It's just never exactly how you imagined it. If you have specific questions on study tips or note-taking, leave your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.